Hello friends. So today we are going to learn about the important and interesting question, which is the carbon cycle found in a ecosystem. So in last video lecture we had studied about the different type of nutrient cycling, and you know that the nutrient cycling is the fourth main aspect of the ecosystem. So you know that the two types of nutrient cyclings where they are gaseous and sedimentary, and now we are going to learn about the carbon cycle, which is one type of gaseous cycle. Okay, so now we are going to the easy language notes. Okay, see the title, carbon cycle. It is the most important question of 2 marks, and this question was asked in the board examination taken in the March 2020. Okay, so in last board examination this question was asked in the paper of biology. Okay, see first point, living organisms are made up of so many different type of things, means so many components are there, okay, in the composition of living organism. It means the body of living organism is made up of so many things. Point number 2, carbon constitute, means carbon is there more than 49% of dry weight of organism, and which is next only to the water. You know that there will be more than 65% of water in a body of the organism, okay, and in second place there is a carbon, so underline 49%. Point number 3, total quality of the global carbon. It means if we talk about the total quality of the global carbon, global means for the entire world, so 71% carbon is found dissolved in the oceans. So we can say that oceans are one type of the major reservoir of the carbon, because 71% carbon is found dissolved in ocean. So two questions will come from this sentence. How many percent? 71%. Okay, and found in which form? See, found in the dissolved form. In which region? In the ocean. So point number 3, the if we talk about the quality of global carbon, 71% carbon is found in dissolved in the ocean. This oceanic reservoir regulates the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Okay, so atmospheric carbon dioxide amount will be regulated by the oceanic reservoir of the carbon. So first concept is completed. See, again we will revise the first 3 points. First point, living organisms are made up of so many things. Point number 2, carbon constitutes 49% of the dry weight of organisms, and which is next only to the water. Point number 3, if we talk about the total quality of global carbon, 71% carbon is found dissolved in ocean, and this oceanic reservoir regulates the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Okay, now see next concept, fossil fuel also represent a reservoir of carbon. So underline this, fossil fuel also represent a reservoir of carbon. It means fossil fuel is also one type of reservoir of carbon. Point number 2, carbon cycling occurs through first one atmosphere, second one ocean, and third one through living and dead organisms. Okay, so living means you can say that all types of living animals and plants. Now see point number 3, according to one estimate, 4 multiplied by 10 raised to 13 kilogram of carbon is fixed in the biosphere with the help of method photosynthesis per year. So point number 3 is very important. According to one estimate, underline 4 multiplied by 10 raised to 13 kilogram of carbon will be fixed per year. Okay, with the help of what? With the help of process photosynthesis in biosphere, means in atmosphere. Okay, see photosynthesis means you know that the producers are going to do process of photosynthesis, means carbon fixation is possible with the help of photosynthesis done by producers. Okay, now see we will revise these 3 points again. Fossil fuel also represent a reservoir of carbon. Then carbon cycling occur through three things. First one, atmosphere, second one, ocean, and third one through living and the dead organism. Point number 3, according to one estimate, 4 multiplied by 10 raised to 13 kilogram of carbon is fixed in biosphere with the help of the photosynthesis per year. Okay, now see, we will understand this chart. So in left side there is a entry of carbon, and in right side there is a exit of carbon. So now carbon is there in the atmosphere, so the word is written is atmospheric CO2. So see, this atmospheric CO2 will be fixed in the plants with the help of photosynthesis, which is done by the producer. So the only way to enter for the CO2 is the photosynthesis. So we can say that photosynthesis is one type of way for the fixation of carbon dioxide, which is done by producer. Okay, now see exit of CO2. So first point, respiration done by producers, consumers and decomposers. You know that in the process of respiration O2 will be used and CO2 will be released. So CO2 will be released by producers, consumers and decomposers. Okay, means all biotic factors of the ecosystems are going to exit the or release the carbon dioxide. Now see second point, burning of food. Third point, forest fire. Fourth one is combustion of the organic matter, fossil fuel, and fifth one is some volcanic activities. So these all activities will do what? Will release the CO2. So because of these all activities and because of respiration, CO2 will again go to the atmosphere. Okay, so there is a entry point and exit points of the carbon dioxide. Okay, now see the last concept. Carbon cycle is influenced significantly by human activities. It means human activities play significant role in the carbon cycle because human activities will affect on this particular cycle. Now see, some examples are there. Some examples like rapid deforestation, burning of fossil fuel for the energy and transport. So because of these activities, the rate of release of CO2 in the atmosphere significantly increase. So you know that because of deforestation, if forests are not there, then process of photosynthesis is not possible, and because of the burning of fossil fuel for the energy and transport, you know that so many vehicles are there, okay, in the entire world. So because of these activities, the rate of release of CO2 into the atmosphere will increase significantly. Okay, so now we will go to the textbook. Okay, ecosystem carbon cycle. When you study the composition of living organisms, carbon constitutes 49% underlying of dry weight of organism, and which is next only to water. If we look at the total quality of global carbon, we find that underlying 71% carbon is found in the dissolved in ocean. Underline the word ocean. So this oceanic reservoir regulates the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Okay, now see, do you know that the atmosphere only contains about 1% of the total global carbon? It means the remaining all carbon is dissolved in the oceans. So first paragraph is completed. Now see second paragraph. It is very easy. Fossil fuel also represent a reservoir of carbon. Carbon cycling occur through atmosphere, ocean and through the living and dead organism. Underline these three words. According to one estimate, 4 multiplied by 10 raised to 13 kilogram of carbon is fixed in the atmosphere, means biosphere, with the help of photosynthesis per year. A considerable amount of carbon returns to the atmosphere as CO2 through respiratory activities of the producers, consumers as well as decomposers. Okay, now see the last third line. Burning of food, forest fire, combustion of organic matter, fossil fuel, volcanic activities are additional source for the releasing of CO2 in the atmosphere. And last one, human activities have significantly influeed the carbon cycle. Some examples are there: rapid deforestation and massive burning of fossil fuel for energy and transport have significantly increased the rate of release of the carbon dioxide into atmosphere. Okay, now we will see this diagram. Okay, so this diagram is very simple. There is only one entry point and so many exit point of the carbon. So you can see the word here CO2 in atmosphere, and one entry point is there for the CO2, which is photosynthesis in terrestrial food chain. So you can say that there is a one entry point of carbon dioxide and so many exit points are there. You can say that the respiration and decomposition, here burning of forest, fuel wood and organic debris. Here you can say that combustion of fossil fuels for vehicle, electricity as well as heat. Okay, so you will remember there is only one entry point and so many exit points of the carbon. So this question carbon cycle is totally completed here, but don't forget that this question was asked in the year of 2020 in March. Okay, means last board examination. So this question of carbon cycle is totally completed here. Okay, thank you very much.